In A, y is multiplied by 3. So to get y by itself, we're going to divide both sides by 3. 3y divided by 3 comes out to, well, 3 divided by 3 is 1, and then we still have our y left, equals to 12 divided by 3. We know that 1y is the same as just y, so we can write this as y is equal to 4, and with that we have our answer for y. For b, z is multiplied by -4, so to get z by itself, we're going to divide both sides by -4. -52 divided by -4 is 13, and that's equal to, well, -4z divided by -4 comes out to 1z, but instead of writing 1z, typically we just write z. And I'll just cross these out to show that -4 divided by -4 became 1 and essentially canceled out. Because a is divided by 7, we're going to have to multiply by 7 to get a by itself. So we'll multiply that by 7. Whatever we do to one side, we also have to do to the other. On the left side, 7 divided by 7 becomes 1 or cancels out. So all we have left on that side is a. And then -42 times 7 is -294. For d, because b is divided by -6, we'll have to multiply both sides by -6 to get it by itself. So multiply by -6 on the left side as well as the right side. -6 times -24 comes out to +144. And on the right side, -6 divided by itself becomes 1 or cancels out, and all we have left on the right side is b. So b is equal to 144. When we have a negative in front of our unknown variable, it technically means we have -1. So -r is the same as -1r, but a lot of the time we don't write the 1. Rewriting it like this shows us that r is multiplied by -1, so that means to get r by itself, we'll have to divide both sides by -1. -1r divided by -1, we just are left with the r, and on the other side, 2 divided by -1 is -2. The first thing I'm going to do with this question is actually rewrite it like so. 2x over 3 equals 18. When we have an x in front of a fraction like this, it technically means that the x is up top. And I find it a bit easier to work with if you put the x on top. So now we want to get x by itself and solve for it. So we're going to have to get rid of the divided by 3 on this side and the multiplied by 2. When I have a denominator, I like to get rid of that first because I find it to be a little bit easier. So to get rid of that divided by 3, we are going to multiply both sides by 3. So on the left, 3 divided by 3 is going to cancel out. So all you're left with is 2x equals 18 times 3 is 54. Now to get x completely by itself, divide both sides by that 2. 2 over 2 cancels, so we're just left with x equals 27.